Morgan and Patty Proudfoot Morgan, proud members of the Carleton Golf and Yacht Club. We're here for the Ice Bucket Challenge. Patty's brother, Tony Proudfoot, died of ALS, passed away about 3.5 years ago. I sit on the board of ALS Canada. We're issuing a challenge right now to golfers around the world. We have discovered that the National Hockey League, the Canadian Football League, the Major League Baseball Association, all these professional athletes are doing this. Nobody's doing it from the golf industry, so Carleton Golf and Yacht is challenging you to do that, and we're going to do the Ice Bucket Challenge. And we're not doing it ordinarily. We waited till it rained, and we waited till it was cold. It's got to be like 12 degrees here in Manotick, south of Ottawa. So we're issuing you, golf world, a challenge right now. I also sit on a Human Resource Committee of Golf Canada, so my first challenge is to Scott Simmons, the CEO of Golf Canada, and two people that I've worked with on one of those committees, Liz Hoffman and Barbara Allen. I challenge you right now to do the Ice Bucket Challenge when we get going. Patty is going to challenge some others on our behalf, because go big or go home, we're not just looking for ordinary people, we're looking for
Brad Frick, Mike Weir, Graham Gillette, and Brooke Henry.
And I'm going to take this international. We spend a great deal of time playing golf in Northern Ireland, so I'm challenging some Northern Ireland boys. And we, Carleton Golf and Yacht, and all you people that are looking at this can get on Twitter, get on social media, get these guys to do something. How come there's no professional golfers doing this to support ALS around the world? So I am challenging the PGA and British Open champ Rory McIlroy from Hollywood Golf Club. I'm challenging Graham McDougall from Rathmore Golf Club and Royal Port Rush Golf Club. And I'm even challenging Faraday from Bangor, who's also in Northern Ireland, to get this thing public. So we're now going to do this thing. Bear with us for 2 minutes. Bucket. Thanks to Stu Whiteman.